This is Raphael from Yinfeng Machinery. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Anytime I don't know what time in Mexico now, but hope you have a nice day. It is one of our workshop. You can see, and I know the commercial line is having a meeting with you now, and I hope our representative in the Mexico can have a nice meeting with your company. And for the CNC 8322 machine, this one you can see is the machine that you are going to buy, and this machine is not working now. The product from this machine, we can see one machine which is running now. Anyway, welcome to China and welcome to our factory for inspecting. Bye.